Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to set a footer in Shopify. So first things first, you have to log into Shopify and then go to online store, click this one. If you have your store already, then all you need to do is to just customize your store. So again, tap on the online store and then this time you have to look for themes. Now you can see here the current theme that you are using. If you don't know the footer menu or section, you can tap this icon right here, scroll down, and here is your menu. As you can see, there is this email sign up. So if you want to add another section, all you have to do here is go back and then tap on customize. It will take you directly to your store, and then you have to go to footer section. You can add section right here. There are tons of sections that you can add here to set up footer in Shopify. All you have to do is to select that. For example, I have added here contact us. So you can just basically add a more section if you wanted to. Also, if you want customize, like if you want to copy URL from other platform, you can go and tap on custom liquid right here and then paste that specific URL or link that you have copied from other platform and then paste it right here. So basically, that's how easy it is. You just have to simply go to customize, go to your online store themes, customize, go to footer section, and you can add section right here. You can add contact us, sign up form, like email sign up. You can also add terms and policies here. Always make sure that you have your store policies, and in order for you to add that, you just have to go to the content here on your Shopify and then look for menus. Then here you have to look for footer. Tap on footer right here, scroll down, add a menu, and then you can add here, for example, terms and policies. And then for the link, you have to look for the policy and then tap on save. So basically, these are the ways on how to set a footer in Shopify. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.